first graders, welcome to a new math lessons. We are still on topic 3 and lesson 2. So please get your math sheets ready, practice sheet, topic 3, lesson 2, page 95. Recognizing numbers on 10 frame. Right, you have learned how to show numbers on 10 frame. Remember when I say, let's say, show me number 5. So you start from the top row and from the left box and you cover or shade or sticker or color 5 box 1 2 3 4 5 because I asked for 5. And if we have numbers like 8 or 9, so I know the same thing. We're gonna start from the top row, from the left box, count, and when I need it's not enough, I need more, I will go for the second row, start again from the left box. So what's different today? Today we're gonna recognize the number on the 10 frame. That means we're gonna describe it in different details. All right, let's take an example and use number 6. So for question number 1, I need number 6. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna color or fill with my crayons. Here I have crayons, 6 counters or 6 boxes. So I'm gonna draw 1 starting from the top row and starting from the left box. I need 6. 1 2 3 4 5. I didn't reach 6 yet. That means 6 is more than 5, right? Remember the old days when you used to tell you ask for like 7 fingers? So you show me the first hand, open all your 5 fingers, then you count after 5 6 7, so you have 2 more to add to the 5 to give 7. So over here 6, you will say 6, it's more than 5. But how many counts you need to add to make 6? Yes, only 1. So if I ask you to recognize this number, you're gonna say 5 and 1 is 6, right? So 5 and 1 give you 6. Or you can say that how many numbers do you need or how many counters you need to make 10? If I'm gonna ask you for 10, for example. So what are you gonna say? Oh, 4, 6 is 4 counters away from 10 to fill the 10 frames. Don't worry, we'll get to this one. All right, let's do another number. 5, let me have 9 here. For number 2, I need 9. So 5, I'm gonna start filling my first row, starting from the left side with 5. 1 2 3 4 5, but my number is 9. I need more. Let me use different color. I know I have 5. I'm gonna go for the second row, start from the left box, and again 6 7 8 9. So 9 is 5 and how many counters did I fill in the bottom row? 1 2 3 4. So 5 and 4 is very good, 9. Awesome. Let's do number 3 together. Let's have 8. All right. Again, I'm gonna start with my top row from the left box. I need to fill 8. So 1 2 3 4 5. I still need more to do 8. After 5 6 7 8. So if I want to recognize or read my 10 frame, I will say 5, very good, and 1 2 3 3 is 8. Awesome. Let's go for number 4 and number 7. again, starting with the top, I need to fill my top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need more to reach 7, so I'm gonna count 6, 7. So how many counters did I add, or how many boxes did I shade? 2. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the first row, and 2 is 7. Very good. If I want to say I have 10 frame, I filled my 10 frame, I'm gonna say 3 is equals 10 minus 7. All right, turn the page. Let's read our example and then do guided practice. Okay, what number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, this number is more than 5 because we use the second row. It's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. So 5 and 2 makes 7. All right, another example. This number is less than 5. Very good. So how many numbers do you need? How many counters or how many boxes do I need to fill to make 5? Only 1. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. If I fill this one, I will be having 5 counters on the top row. So how many I need? 1. All right, let's go for another example. 9, 5, very good. Then I'm counting the second row starting from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 is 5 and 4. How many number less to reach 10? 1, because only one box I need to count to shade it, so it's only 1. So the number is less than 10. It's only one number away. Okay, let's do guided practice together. We are on page 96. Write the number shown on each 10 frame. All right, so you look at the your 10 frames, count how many counters, and then you're gonna put a number here. So first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see the first stop is full, so 5. All right. Number 2. Very good. 3. Okay. Number 3. I know 5. Right. Now I know the first stop is all shaded or it's all filled, so 5. And after that, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number 3 will be 9. And question number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I filled the first row and I used only 1, so very good. 6. All right, let's listen to this question. Do you understand? Kurt says 5 and 3 is 8. Daisy says 2 away from 10 is 8. Who's correct? Explain. All right. Let me use my paper and write here. So let's say Kurt says 5 and 3 equals 8. And Daisy said that 2 away from 10. That's mean 10 take away 2 is 8. So who's correct? Explain. All right, let me draw my 10 frame. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And my number is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Kurt says 8 is 5 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3. So 5 and 3. So Kurt is right. But Daisy said no. 2 away from 10 is 8. That means 2 more boxes. If I shade them or I circle them, they will be 10. So if I didn't do this 2, that's mean 10 frames, because you know you have 10 frames, minus the 2 that I did not shade them is 8. This is also right. So for this question, they both are right, but they are describing it differently. Kurt describing by using the number 5 and 3. Kurt says 5 and 3, but Daisy is describing it by using the number 10, the 10 frame. So Kurt says yes, 5 and 3 is 8, yes. And Daisy said no, for 10 frames, Daisy is using the 10 frame. She said 2 away from the 10 equals 8. So first of all, who's correct? Both. So we're gonna say they both are correct. They both are correct. And we explain that they both use different way to describe the number. We said that Kurt used it is 5 and 3, right? But Daisy is using a different way of describing the number. So Daisy said or describing by using the number 10 or the 10 frames. 10 frames or number 10. Remember when we say over here 10, take away 2, the missing 2 that we did not correct, so the answer that we didn't shade it, the answer was 8. Or Kurt, when he said 5 and 3 makes 8. All right, let's do independent practice, page 97. All right, write the number shown on each 10 frame. So the same thing we did here, we're gonna do it here. So how many you have? Very good. 2. You're gonna write 2. How many you have? Count all the dots or counters and put your number here. Number 7. Count all the counters you have on the top and the bottom. Start from the left and put your number here. And then number 8. Do the same. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and put your number here. Okay. All right, number 9. Draw counters, write the number. Carrie uses a 10 frame. She shows 5 and 1 more. What number does she show? 5 and 1 more. So I'm gonna come to my 10 frame. Let me use colors. I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and how many more? 1 more. That means filling the top row. I'm gonna draw 1 more at the bottom. So 5 and 1 more is very good. 6. All right. Let's turn the page and go for page 98. Alex wrote about the 10 frame. Circle that Alex should have written. All right. he wrote about the 10 frame, but we have to choose the right sentence. 2 away from 10 is 7. 2 away from 10 is 7. 2. Or 5 and 2 is 7. 5 and 2 makes 7. So which one? 2 away from 10 is 7, or 5 and 2 is 7. Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and add more from the bottom row. 1, 2, so 5 and 2 is 7. Alright, let me double check that. First question, or first choice. 2 away from 10 is 7. This is my 10 frame. 2 away. Nope, I have 3. So 5 and 2 is 7 is the right choice, and you need to circle it. Alright, let's do number 11. Wendy says that 10 frame shows 5 and 4 more. 5 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stan says it shows 1 away from 10. Stan says it shows 1 away from 10. 1 away from 10. Like if I fill this one, I will be having 10. That means this is 1 away from 10. If I open this, I'll be having 10 fingers opened, right? So, what is the number in the 10 frame? So now we know. So what's the number here it shows in your 10 frame? Is it A9, B8, C6, D4? In your 10 frame, we count 5, I know, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4, 9, so your choice is A. Very good. Pick a number between 5 and 10. Number 12. All right. Draw it in the 10 frame. So you pick a number between 5 and 10. So either 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. Draw it in the 10 frame. So that means you're gonna fill your 10 frame. And then fill in the clue to describe the number. Then you need to fill the part here. Let's say if I choose my example, I'll choose number 8 because it's between 5 and 10, so I will choose number 8. And then I need to fill 8 boxes in my 10 frames. I know I will start from the top and the left box. Use my color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember 5, and how many to reach number 8? A different color, take blue. I have 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 5 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3 is 8. I hope it's easy for you. It's really colorful and fun. So I'll leave you with the rest of the activity to finish, and that's it for today. Topic 3, lesson 2. Thank you, first graders. Bye bye.